honeybees. This is your girl Natural Honeybee coming back to you with a review. Today I am going to do another wash and go. As you see, this is how Miss Curly Sue has been for the past few days, bunned up. So she's in need of some tender love and care. I took it upon myself to order some new products. Exhibit A. I don't know about y'all, but I like getting stuff in the mail. It's kind of like Christmas all over again in March. But I ordered some of Natural 85's new hair care line. If you follow her, then you are well aware she has released some new stuff. Her line is called Melanin Hair Care. So I got that today. So I'm gonna go ahead and bust out a video for y'all because I don't want to wait to try it. I'm gonna try it today. It did come with a nice little postcard. So I will actually read that to y'all in a bit. And what I ordered the Twist Elongating Style Cream with natural oils and shea butter. It's a nice little glare in it. There we go. I ordered 2 of everything because I ordered some for my sister too, so she can try it with me. And then I also ordered her multi-use pure oil blend. This video was not sponsored. So what I'm gonna do, normally when I do my wash and goes, I tend to like heavier products because they weigh my hair down. I have very thick hair. So instead of it being like this, I want it to be like this. We'll see if it will do the same today. I ordered the products with the mindset of trying to do kind of like a twist out or some other kind of style, not necessarily a wash and go, but because that is the style that I am going for today, I'm just gonna incorporate it into what I normally do and see how it takes. Now I may not use both, I may just use the oil because I normally use a castor oil up under my gel because again, it's a heavier, thicker oil, but we'll see how that goes. And of course for my gel today, I'm gonna use the Holy Grail Eco Styler. Can't go wrong with it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go hop in the shower. We are going to shampoo, condition, deep condition, and then I will be back. I'll be back and we'll see how it holds up. Pause. If you haven't, go ahead and like this video and hit that subscribe button, and then go ahead and hit that notification bell so you can be part of the gang. And I'll be back with y'all in a bit. See you soon. All right, guys, so I'm back. As you can see, my hair has been washed, shampooed, same thing. Conditioned. I did a deep conditioner just because, again, I have all the color in my hair right now. I did a leave-in conditioner, which is my Camille Rose as of, right now that's like my favorite. So that's going to be my go-to for a while. Then I detangled and separated, as you can see, all the different sections. So what we will do, let's check Miss Whitney out. So again, back to this card. It said, "What's up, guys? Thank you so much for your support of my new hair care line, Melanin Hair Care. Can you believe it? My secret labor of love is finally in your hands. This box contains years of hard work and dedication in order to create a product line that not only I, but you as well can be proud of. I've thought of you every step of the way, from the ingredients and price points to packaging and availability. I set out to make this line one that would benefit our entire community as a whole. This product line is not a collaboration, it is not a ventured partnership, nor is it repackaged or spoon-fed product formulas. This is the hard work, due diligence."
I'll say it again, Dexter.
"And scrappy perseverance of my sister and myself from beginning to end and everything in between. I truly hope that you enjoy your products. With love, Whitney White, Natural 85.
I just had...
Shut up. Just shut up. You had me at hello.
Ew. All right, so, and then on this side, it just has like you can hashtag if you have like a high resolution camera and you want to be featured, or you could be featured on the page. So I've decided I will not use the twist elongating style cream today because that's going to kind of be a lot on my hair, I think, because I have a leave-in too. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do just the multi-use pure oil blend, which, let's see. Dang, Whitney, I bought it. Can't even get in it. Hold up, hold up. I got it. Do I have it? Oh my God. Pause.
2,000 years later.
All right, guys, so I'm back. Had to part the Red Sea to get in this thing. All right. But, so, oh, it has argan oil and vitamin E in it too. So it's not perfumey at all. One of the things I generally lean towards is I like perfumey stuff, which probably isn't the best for your hair, but I like for my hair to smell good. So, but it doesn't really matter because I'll be using it under my gel anyway, so it'll be all right. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start in the back, and my hair is not as wet as I would like for it to be. So what I'm gonna do is just give it a quick spritz. All right, let's get some of this multi-use pure oil blend. And this is my hair shirt because as y'all see, my hair is touching my shoulders. So I don't wear good clothes when I do my hair because it's just gonna get destroyed. All right. So it actually smells like essential oils. Now that I think about it, it does have sage oil in it. Jojoba oil. Geranium, I do smell that, which is not necessarily my favorite. So that's, I guess that's what's more so catching my nose. But let's see. All right, so we're going to split this section. All right, so what I do when I do my wash and goes, actually, you know what? Let me show y'all something. Hold on. All right, so I actually had to go get my mirror because it's kind of hard to do your hair if you can't see it, right? So we have our Eco. I showed y'all. So I'll be using that on top of the oil. You know what? It would be bomb if Whitney came out. And you know, she actually makes like the homemade flaxseed gel and the whipped shea butters, or she used to. I've been following her channel for a long time, and that I would actually buy too, because every time I make flaxseed gel, it don't work for me. So when you do your wash and go and you're putting your gel on it, make sure that you get your roots too. And then what I do is you just go through, and this is tedious, so I make sure that I coat like every section because I don't like frizz at all. So yeah, I kind of layer it down, and then I just go through and just peel them apart, give it a little twirl. And you kind of just want to let it naturally separate. So like I'm not clumping it, the gel clumped it together, and then I'm just going in. And I may end up speeding this part up and just doing a voiceover. So y'all bear with me if that happens. But let's see. as some of y'all know, today is I'm nosy, y'all, and I'm right by the window, so every time a car drives by, I'm looking at it. I might end up having to close that because all my videos gonna be me being that neighbor. But yeah, I don't think, like, my wash and go is pretty simple. It's not anything that y'all haven't seen before. And I literally just do it all the same way. And then that's that. I come and get the other part in the back. I just did it again. I just caught myself. All right, so I'm not gonna bore y'all because you can't really see what I'm doing right now anyway. Once I finish the back, I'll come back to you so that you can kind of see me do the front, and we'll kind of go from there, okay? I'll be right back. All right, so as you can see, I finished the bottom part in the back. So I just wanted to come back to you so you can see me do the side. We will do this piece. If you see me looking off to the side again, it's just because I'm looking in the mirror. I have ridiculously thick hair that likes to tangle on itself, so a lot of times when I section it, I try to go ahead and just twist it up so I don't have to worry about it tangling on itself. But I definitely had to do a really good detangle in the shower today because it's been a while. All right, so just do that. And it seems like, you know, I'm kind of doing a lot. I'm not. I would much rather do it this way than go through with like the big sections and rake in the gel, because I've noticed that for my hair, it lasts longer. I can get more days out of my wash and go than if I were to just rake it in the big sections. This is the oil. But, I mean, hey, to each their own. Some people would much rather just rake it and go and just slather it up there. I would much rather, you know, be able to do this and then refresh it throughout the week if need be. But when I do it this way, I've noticed that I can literally get 7 days out of this wash and go. So it works a little bit better for me. So we have our gel. What I'm doing is getting just the little pieces and swirling it. I'll get a little piece. And of course, some pieces will be smaller than others. And that quick, and my hair is detangled. But honey, this stuff. All right. So once you get the hang of it, it really doesn't take me long at all. I've gotten real quick with it. Also because I have 2 smaller kids, and I think it's like their own personal game to not give me any free time to do anything. So you kind of don't have a choice but to be quick with it when you're doing your hair. We're gonna get more oil. And by the way, on the back it says how to use A Little Goes a Long Way. You can use it as a sealant and just massage it into wet or damp hair to seal the moisture into your strands. It can be used before or after your favorite styling cream. You can add it to your favorite conditioner, which is actually a really good idea. Now that I may do. I do like that too. You can even use it as a hot oil treatment, or you can use it as a body moisturizer. So oil, so much I don't really care for on my body, but in my hair, I love it. And again, make sure you get those roots because you don't want everything else to be detangled and then your roots looking like wolf poof.